Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OUKITEL C33 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now let's tap on Languages and Input and tap on Languages. As you can see, this is the list of all currently applied languages. We've got English and Spanish. Let me add another one. So let's tap on Add a Language. And as you can see here, we've got the list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it. And let me pick Greek, I believe. Let's tap, and as you can see, the Greek has been immediately applied to this list, but the English is still a main one. And all we have to do is to reorder the languages and set the Greek one at the very first position. So let's tap on it and hold it, and now we can freely drag it to the top of the list. And as you can see, from now on, the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language, in my case Greek. Let me show it to you again. Let me set English, tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And as you can see, we've got English set. Of course, if you want to, you can remove the languages from this list. 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on Remove. Mark the languages and tap on the trash bin icon. Tap on Remove. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.